Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace the rear windshield wiper blade on an Acura RDX. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, the majority of Acura RDXs use a very similar type of component, so the process is going to be very similar regardless of the year that you're working with. But by all means, check to make sure that it looks the exact same as what I'm showing you. But like I said, they all use a very similar design, so it's all going to be extremely similar in how it's done. So we're at the rear of the vehicle right here. What you want to do is lift the blade, the windshield wiper blade, off of the rear windshield, okay? And as you can see, it sort of rotates like this. So it kind of pulls apart, and it's hard for me to get a really good angle, but this is the best that I could do right now. If I move this a little bit, you probably get a little bit of a better view right here, but it rotates out. I'm gonna grasp the inside portion. So you can see there's the outside portion and then the inside portion where the arm is. I'm going to grasp the inside portion of the movable blade, and I'm going to just rotate it outwards. So I'm going to rotate it outwards like this, okay? And as I pull it outwards, I can then just wiggle it out, okay? Then you can take your old windshield wiper. You can go ahead and discard of it and get your new windshield wiper, in which case I'm going to be using the same one because this one's still good, but sometimes they tear, sometimes they wear out, so you might want to use a new one. And then you're going to notice that there's this little tiny little notch on it, and that notch is going to line up with a little hole right over there. There's a little hole with like almost like a hook design in it. It looks like a little bit of a hole with like a swirl in it. You're going to take that little notch, that little bar, and you're going to slide it onto there. Now what you want to do is do the opposite. So you want to start off with it rotated out. So it's starting by rotating it out a little bit, just like this. Okay? Now that it's rotated out, let me see if I can give you an even better view. I'm not sure if I can, but you can see it's kind of rotated out just like that. Now I'm going to slide it onto there and then rotate it in. Okay? Just kind of wiggle it in just like that. Okay? So just to show you one more time, a sped up version at a different angle. Lift the windshield wiper blade off of the windshield, rotate it out, and then just sort of wiggle it off. You can remove the old one, and to put the new one in place, you get that little notch, you slide it in there. So we're starting with it rotated out. You slide it in there, you give it a little turn, and you're good to go. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.